MIT Health is special because we are a cast of characters just like our community. We believe we can make things better, and I don't think we ever stop believing that.
The essence of why we're here is to help MIT thrive, exactly, and to be able to help MIT be healthy to do the things that our community members do and be able to do it to their fullest potential.
The goal at MIT is for people to go out and change the world and make it better. And so for MIT Health, our goal is not just to support people in going out into the world and making it better, but to think with them about what it looks like.
Clinical excellence comes when you have curiosity about what's going on with your patient. And we don't just have curiosity about our patients, we also have curiosity about what's going on with people who aren't our patients, but who are part of the MIT community, so that we can learn from them, so that we can better serve the community.
Science and technology might be the forte of MIT, but I think compassion and empathy and well-being and patient-centered care, this is kind of our jam. And you cannot do what you have to do without us in some ways, right? We're keeping this community literally running.
MIT Health is a fully functioning ambulatory care practice that provides services for the entire community. From caring for newborns to retirees, we have clinical services that can help take care of you and your health needs.
We see students who are here for the first time. We see partners and spouses that are just navigating America, Boston, Cambridge. So it's just a unique population. They're very educated, and we're really committed to being here and understanding their personal needs and making sure that we're serving those needs.
You're not walking into MIT Health to buy cupcakes. You're walking at one of your most vulnerable times in your life. And our community, they're very used to solving their own problems. This is the one time where they're like, here, take my problem and help me.
For MIT Health to provide LGBTQ+ care, including gender-affirming care, is integral to the community. If you look at MIT, we ask people to explore and become. So providing the support to LGBTQ+ individuals through their health care and through so many of the community events that we're involved in lets that community know that you belong here, you're part of MIT, and we care for you, and we want you to grow and learn and thrive just like anyone else in this community.
As a person of color, one of the things that was very important to me is to find a place that was inclusive and diverse. And not just because it's a checkboxes for organizations, but truly have people around the table from different walks of life giving their ideas.
I've been thinking a lot about infinite caring, and Dr. Francis Peabody said, "The secret in the care of the patient is caring for the patient."
Going the extra mile to help an individual navigate a situation, even if that is just listening a little longer to help digest what their fears or concerns are, taking an extra moment to explain or have the patient understand what the recommendations are and why.
And really being able to help offer support wherever somebody is in their stage of life and the needs that they might be facing. So it's really connecting people with the right resources at the right time.
We need to think about, what does caring look like for a faculty member? What does caring look like for a student? What does caring look like for a small child in a family versus a teenager in a family? And we're able to think infinitely about different types of care.
We're treating you as a whole. You're not just a symptom. You're a person, and we're going to treat you medically, holistically, spiritually to get to your best performance.
When you walk through these doors, you're not just having a relationship with an individual practitioner. You're having a relationship with a community of providers who are embedded in a larger community of thinkers, of problem solvers. And so it's just important to know that there are people who chose to be here for those reasons. It's not just a doctor's office. It's something much bigger than that.
We are here for you. We are here to care for you. We are going to do that to the best of our ability. We are going to listen to you. We are going to care for the things you care about, because that's actually what enables us to give you the best care.